Hi, I'm Monica. I'm a bit under the weather today, so you'll have to just kind of bear with my interesting under the weather voice. But I have a blog. It's monica-brown.com. It's a lifestyle blog where I just blog about some home decor and DIY and just simple living stuff, including like essential oils. And then we recently just started RVing. And so I share a little bit about our trips there too. So, but today what I'm doing is a mosquito repellent with essential oils and some witch hazel and some water. And I thought I would share the process with you. Never made this before. But I know other people who've done something similar and it's worked really great for them. And so if you're one of those people who's interested in, you know, a mosquito repellent or a bug repellent, especially for your family that's not full of chemicals, then this might be something that you want to try. So I kind of got some stuff ready. I ordered these blue bottles off of Amazon. They're just 4-ounce bottles. They're glass. And it's just like the perfect size to throw in my purse, hopefully. Actually, I could probably even use a 2-ounce one for my purse, but whatever. This will travel fine, I'm sure. And so I'm going to use this. I picked up this just from my local grocery store the other day. It is Thayer's Witch Hazel Astringent. I have this brand of a facial toner and I like it, and so I thought this would be a great thing to try for this. And this is just kind of to help everything mix together, because water and oil don't typically work together, and so this is going to help with that. And I already have it inside this bad boy right here with my water. So what I have in here is almost 2 ounces of water, almost 2 ounces of witch hazel. This is a 4-ounce bottle, so I just didn't want to overdo it, so I was still leaving room for my essential oils, and then also just to shake the bottle, because you're going to want to shake it before each use. And then I have, and all of these oils are going to be oils that are great for repelling mosquitoes, and I'm going to put 5 drops of each. I have lavender, geranium, eucalyptus, citronella, and lemongrass. So I'm just going to do 5 of each. So let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and start adding them in. Probably the easiest thing ever. And hopefully I don't spill all of this. That would be my luck. Okay, that's in. Start with lavender. There's 5. Put the cap back on. Citronella. Maybe. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6th one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, almost a 6th one. That was the lemongrass. Geranium. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've actually never used geranium. This is my, like I just opened it today, but I hear so many great things about it. So I'm excited to use that one more. And eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have this one diffusing in my house right now with lemon and lavender, hoping that it will help kick this little allergy situation I got going on. So we'll see how it goes. It's like literally like right here next to me. Put the cap on, shake it up. You're ready to go. Bug repellent. That simple.